आपको पता है हम एजेंट्स का क्या काम होता है? वी क्रिएट मैरिजेस, क्रिएटिव मैरिजेस।
कर डाला काम भारी।
Call My Agent Bollywood doesn't make you reach out for your own phone to call all your friends to say, oh my God, what a brand new show, what an amazing show, watch it. Are Jaggu and Tarana agreeing on their review for Call My Agent? All of those questions will be answered in, well, the next 5 minutes. Jaggu, did you like Call My Agent Bollywood or no? In one word.
I did. I liked it.
I didn't.
Tarana, did you like it?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
What is it? So I've spoken to a couple of people. I've read a couple of the other reviews. I seem to be in a substantial minority here.
You are. Okay, so Call My Agent Bollywood version is, yes, as we know, the Desi version of the official French show. So Call My Agent came out in 2015, and that's the original one in the French language, set in Paris, and it's a very, very high funda world of agents and glamorous people and how the twain meet and what do agents really do, etc. It was originally called 10%, and it plays on the fact that agents basically take 10% away from big celebrities. Anyway, the French version.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
In Bollywood, do they take 10% or more?
I think more.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It depends.
10% or 10%.
No. If you're like a really huge star, then yes, you get away with 10% or maybe even 7%. But the smaller a star you are, the more the agent will take. So it can be 15%, it can be 20%, it can be 25%, which is a big much.
I believe negotiations are now going to happen now that Call My Agent Bollywood has come out.
Absolutely. People will be like, hello, वो लोग तो officially कह रहे 10% है, आप मेरे से 50% कब से ले रहे हो? क्यों uncle? Anyway, so you would think that if there is a established, very successful show and you're basically making a Hindi adaptation of it, it should largely be the same. It is. Scene by scene, it is the same. Characters are the same. नाम obviously उन्होंने बदले हैं. And even like the setting and the way the framing is done and the way a scene is done is exactly the same, which I had an issue with. Yeah, so Jaggu, I done like proper thorough research into this. I saw all 6 episodes of the Bollywood version, and then I saw 2 or 3 episodes of the French version, just to see how differently they played out the plot lines. So anyway,
so I know
the
that,
Bollywood version is
the plot line. But scene by scene, I'm surprised to hear.
Scene by scene, dialogue by dialogue. Like Hindi mein translate kiya hai. So like the 2 writers of Call My Agent Bollywood honestly should call themselves translators because उन्होंने सिर्फ translate किया है. And कुछ situations को obviously Indianize करना पड़ा so that we get context, but it's just not done well enough. So why did you like it, Jaggu?
So I'll tell you why I liked it. One of my definitions with these like OTT shows is that can I binge watch, can I not? This one I can. Okay, time wise it's right, episode wise it's right. 4.5 ghante if you will. You can do it in half a day if you're diligent enough. Now, so that is correct, that vela. Now that is one category. The other category is that what is my first feel? And my first feel was good because they got right into it. First episode, first scene where there was a problem. This is the one starring Dia Mirza. So, but we'll come to that bit later. There was a problem. The problem needed a solution. The action started immediately. What I also liked is the fact that, so yes, it's across 6 episodes, season 1. And so there are a couple of recurring themes through all episodes, which works for me. But each episode also had its own issue or its own solution. Or if it wasn't a solution, then it was a cliffhanger to the next episode. That kind of worked for me because the pace was there. You know what I'm saying? Now,
I don't know what you're saying, Jaggu, because I felt exactly the opposite. But please tell us.
There was space for me in a 45-minute episode, and mind you, I'm formatted to like a 30-minute episode. 45-minute episode may also, my attention did not slack. Okay. I will say what also appealed to me and what was like sort of kept my interest going was the special appearances in every episode. And they managed to pull that off wonderfully. And even though there was some hamming involved, I'll agree. But that's okay. For that one episode, there was hamming by person giving a special appearance. That was fine. And sometimes you could even argue that the person giving the special appearance was overshadowing the regular characters, which also was fine by me. I mean, chalo, theek hai na, at least I'm enjoying myself. Yeah? So we're talking Dia, Tinu Anand right off. Then also Dia Mirza, Lara Datta, Tigmanshu Dhulia, Jackie Shroff, Nandita Das. I mean, Tigmanshu, who I now know his pet name is Tishu. Tishu and Nandita also very good actors. Yeah, I was quite pleased. Lara Datta was there. There was Sarika and her daughter were there, Akshara. I thought it was fantastic. Both maza aaya. It was full entertainment. I'm not looking for one classical drama and things like that. Yeah, I was.
Yeah, but are you
entertained.
not looking for? Are you not looking for like believable acting? Because they all hand. So my issue with Call My Agent Bollywood is that it
All did
is
not have.
it's just too OTT and unreal. The soundtrack irritates you because it's very upbeat and la 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 la. Like it takes you back to like the 90s television. Every character except for I think maybe Rajat Kapoor was just like unbelievable. They all seem like caricatures of themselves. The Soni Razdhan, who is one of the 4 agents, is so far wasted in season 1. Even in the French series, apparently that lady doesn't have that much to do. But it, and because they're stylized and their clothes are like, certain looks and all, she just looked like a caricature. And I hope, Soni ji, that the role develops for you in the forthcoming seasons.
I was most surprised by that they didn't use someone of the caliber of Soni Razdhan enough.
Well, because they're going book by book and line by line and chapter by chapter from the French version, and hence that's way. But so the show doesn't work for me because it's boring with a B. It's the same issues in every episode. Every issue seems contrived and unnecessary. I don't think Bollywood actors know how to play exaggerated versions of themselves. I think a person who did it really well was Matt LeBlanc. Okay, so apna Joey from Friends. Uske baad there was Joey, the series, which did not do well at all. But then there was another show which was called Episodes, which was really good, in which Matt LeBlanc plays Matt LeBlanc, and he does, and that it is not like the real version of himself. It's an exaggerated, fictitious version, but it is not hammy. I think Bollywood stars are so worried about like audiences believing ke, oh my God, kya ye वाकई में ऐसे लड़ते हैं? क्या ये वाकई में इतने पागल हैं? That they go out of their way to do everything exaggerated. And I'm watching them and I'm like, what is this train wreck? Like Farah Khan, caricaturish. Jackie Shroff, totally wasted, but not convincingly done. It was just silly. I don't know. If you liked the French version and you've seen it already, and it works for you, that entertainment, then please watch the Desi version. But for me, no, nothing about it was appealing. The sets are beautiful, but I mean, they also seem like over the top. It looks like a set. Like you can't have an office that actually looks like a set.
And this is the only it's the only office that I know of where the people actually appreciate the coffee. I have never seen that in any office ever.
So the whole, even Ahana Kumra's, like her Janab and Mohtarma is just so forced. It doesn't seem natural. She plays a lesbian in it, but the relationships were looking all wonky and wrong. Like it feels like nahi, क्योंकि अब हम woke है and हमको diverse लोगों को दिखाना है, तो हम जरूर डालेंगे ऐसे. But it just doesn't flow.
But Anushka Soni,
the love interest of Ahana
Kumra falls in love with. What a fight!
Well, she's very hot. She's very hot, and I think Jammu is distracted by the fact that there are many hot people in this show.
No, her specifically her.
And I'm terribly disappointed by that brand new kid, the girl who plays Nia. She's apparently not an actor. Yeah. She's not an actor. She's an influencer, and because of her, number of followers, I think she got cast in this show. But she just looks completely.
Tarana, you're like randomly casting aspersions because she's a influencer. They have cast her. Because Bollywood actors don't know how to play exaggerated characters of themselves, they must have. Now, these are all intelligent actors, yeah. They know.
Yeah, which is why
not having playing character.
I don't think they're comfortable playing exaggerated versions of themselves, and hence they shouldn't. The only people who seemed okay were perhaps Nandita Das, who you would expect that from. Rajat Kapoor.
Nandita Das,
but it was still realistically done because she is basically making sense of a situation that makes no sense.
Okay, fair enough.
She's trying to make it believable. But anyway, in a nutshell, I wouldn't recommend Call My Agent Bollywood. I don't even know whether they should bother to make the future seasons or not. But then there are people like Jaggu in the world, and so there's clearly we are divided. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 5, Jaggu, I would give it 1.5.
Oh, okay.
On a scale of 1 to 5.
I was tempted to give it 3.5. I was tempted to do that. That half might be coming because of Anushka Soni, but we'll discuss that separately. But you know what? I will say this. I enjoyed the first set of episodes more than I enjoyed the latter episodes, except that I thought that the ending then picked it up and ended in a dhamaka or whatever it is. I want to give it 3.
You want to give it 3. And I've given it 1.5. So where are we at?
Close.
Huh? 1.5?
2.25.
Yeah, 2.25, correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah. Tarana, I'm shocked at you. I'm shocked at you. Shocks.
do you agree with Jaggu's review, or do you agree with my review, or do you have your own individual review that we are very, very keen to find out?
Yeah.
Please talk to us in the comments. Let us know. Give us your own rating. And while you're at it, if you've watched this review so far, matlab you liked it. Like kar dena video. Please subscribe, turn that bell icon on, and never miss a single episode of So Far So Good, whether it's a review, whether it's a special, or whether it's just us bantering about all the fun things that we spot in the world. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Okay, bye.
Anushka Soni, you're fabulous. Bye bye, butterfly.